Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to solve example of chapter number 5 from the exercise. So, first one कौन सा है? Give the magnitude and directions of the net force acting on first one a drop of rain falling down with a constant speed. Okay, so मतलब what we have to find out? We have to find out the net force. ओके सो फर्स्ट में हमारा आंसर्स क्या आएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ द मोशन रेन ड्रॉप इज मूविंग इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शंस विद कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजंस रिजल्टेंट फोर्स ऑन इट विच इज 0 so this is our answer. Now second one, a crook of mass 10 gram floating on a water. So resultant force कितना होगा? So resultant force on it that will be 0 because the cork is floating on water. Here the weight of cork is balanced by the buoyant force, and because of that reasons resultant force on it which is 0. Now see, a kite skillful held stationary into the sky. So what is the net force acting on it that we have to find out. So यहाँ पे हमारा net force on it that will be is equal to 0. क्यों 0 हो रहा है? Because the net force on a kite skillfully held at the stationary है तो वहां पे क्या हो जाएगा? Net force 0 होगा. Now D. A car moving with a constant velocity of 30 km/h on a rough road. सो नेट फोर्स कितना होगा? सो यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है हमें? कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी होगा तो वहां पे नेट फोर्स कितना रहेगा? नेट फोर्स विल बी 0. नाउ E, a high speed electron in space far from all material objects and free of electric and magnetic fields. So net force कितना होगा? So the net force on the electron is 0 because electron is far away from the all materials agency which are producing the electromagnetic or a gravitational force. So because of that reasons net force on the electron is 0. Example 2. A pebble of mass 0.05 kg is thrown vertically upwards. Give the direction and magnitude of the net force on the pebble. First one, during its upward motions. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the force. So in this case, the marble which is thrown in vertically upward direction, so the gravitational accelerations is into the downward direction. So net force acting on it. So as we know that F is equal to mg. M की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी गिवन डेटा में है 0.05 मल्टीप्लीकेशन g वी हैव टू कंसिडर 9.8. सो हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो कितना आ जाएगा? 0.49 न्यूटन एंड डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. नाउ सेकेंड वन, ड्यूरिंग इट्स डाउनवर्ड मोशन. So when marble or a stone is moving in downward direction, net force acting on it, so what we can write? F is equal to mg. So m की वैल्यू गिवन डेटा में है ही 0.05 मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ 9.8. सो हमारा आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 0.49 न्यूटन इन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. नाउ थर्ड वन, एट द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट where it is momentary at rest. So at the momentary rest, in this condition the resultant force acting on it which is 0. Then also they are asking about, do your answer change if the pebble was thrown at an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal direction? So हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? If marble is thrown at an angle making 45 degree with horizontal, then at highest point its horizontal component remain constant.